Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Cursor AI. I am Luciano from Wiprom, and today I'm going to show you Cursor and how to use its main feature to improve your coding experience. In the end, we are going to create a simple app using just the Cursor composer. So let's get started. You might be wondering, what is Cursor? Cursor is a code editor that helps you write and edit code more efficiently by using AI. It offers features like smart code suggestion, automatic corrections, and the ability to understand your entire code base. So let's move to Cursor. Hello. So this is Cursor. You can see that the layout is really similar to Visual Studio Code. That is because Cursor is a fork from Visual Studio Code. In the left we have the file structure of the project. In the middle we have the window editor where you can write and edit code. You can see that Cursor is already suggesting me some code. I can accept them by hitting the tab button. And in the right we have the AI panel where we have the chat and the composer.